consistently said it on my Facebook wall and everywhere. Say, NDC political party no. The members are suffering. Open one. Between survive broken hearts power my way. NDC member. Because yakotuaba. Unim say we lose. Unim say we lose. Now I call Jina TV so I catch your members say we win. And to make demonstration. Near tons so she go so no more to a board pray from home. But you in your boardroom, you know you are putting the people at risk for nothing. Ye kaya komo say eboa. Omu trading Emma judges from unanimous FC. E denigrate your judicial system no. E the judicial system na tem e running it down. Say they are biased towards the MPP because omu don case akọ court. Emma court na yede enti omu. Years down the line. Uti Asiedu Nketia asem na eye unambiguous, eye straight to the point or say no cre ye to me and quality your results. Or my what it means is that whether you lost or you won, you couldn't have known. And I'm you couldn't have known whether you were cheated or not because you don't have the only assumption. You assume you say me lose because you me.
The party for the
now court no. Judges na catch up point blank say you are here on a fishing expedition. That was the word. Almost said there ye tie wasem ni mu a. Asa wunni nyina so bia wa ba court. Dem why you say member court na me medua and say mu hwe say ye be ka ba wie no. Menye bibie fam na me dey me case a. Enu nti me amfa hwe amba. Ne mo yemfa isi metina daka nim. Na me ntoto na no. Na okofon a na me de nsam na ye den. Ejina so akotia. Na judges say there bi. Enye sa na edidi mbra e wo my way mu. And these NDC guys went out there to date. Oman Peninda John Dramani Mama has not congratulated the president who won the elections on legitimate grounds from the people of Ghana. He has not, because he insists say the judges were against him, all because you wanted your members to have confidence in you for your failure. You are anti-climax. The oba recorded one, oba recorded because the way you know when susu da say na asem netie kono mu nyina wogi die say wo wini ye enti enena 2 years down the line na ofe na oba bet say mo wini na mo ade na mo ye no kra no mo se ade mu kra na anya hwe na mo come achachu say hwe na hwe say dey na betu.
But that's very worrying.
I am telling you, it's a serious matter. So nobody
very worrying because you know, according to Asiedu Nketia, after reviewing the manually collated figures, lawyer Chachu Chikata handed the documents back to them and said that if that is the evidence they are taking to court, then they should look for another lawyer.
And yet you went to court and called the judges' names. You wasted our time, months of our time, weeks of our time. You wasted people's emotions. Some people in this country actually believed the NDC won the elections that they were cheated. Some people in this country actually believed the NDC had the case. And yet you were standing in the court in all your glory, trying to let everybody in this country believe, say, you are lawyer Chachu Chikata. You know everything and the judges are cheating you. And we run down the only, your friend is saying, arm of government that you're protected simply because of your parochial interest. Why couldn't you just go to your members and tell them, say, I feel you to me and on the day, I think 8th or 9th December, time 9 for your protest. Me, not my office war, number 16. No, the rage one. Into me ba. Eja ye ba beti and find out when you are kwaji me share white MPP logo boha. Me do rage one about one. And this if we go near buo mu kura no. Afena me yem hye me. I have to remove my shirt. E ka me singlet. Na me simiti ase. We do one about it because if they had seen me, I am come to obo. Why? Because they were there on the belief said they were winning the elections.
Their members of parliament was
they were all there. Nanti from parliament.
That's the
I'm telling you, nanti from what easy. As well, a very serious matter. Now, am I yourself? No, I say, yeah, near the diagram, near the atunche. Elsewhere, Uncle before for crab to me, I say, see when this is Dangasa. Why do you do that to all of us? I about when you somebody will win, somebody will lose. Don't put don't hold the entire country at ransom simply because of one personal interest. You mislead your followers and draw the entire country along. And no problem you. Also say our lawyers and ranting in Eko die by Akumu. Lawyers so MPP NDC lawyers by 300. Mudi no nyina Eko die by Akumu. Ina mo judiciary no mo yo mo passa. You call them names.
It's not true.
Let me match no. Didn't we hear it? It was didn't we hear it? When they came out, didn't we hear all the things they said about the judiciary? I didn't mean kind. Ah, oh my.
President John Mahama Kushia and NDC.
I'm Odelokai. One running judiciary down.
Someone not here to be one judiciary. He didn't.
I was there. You have your child. Oh, then you were there. I
want to two days unanimous.
Oh, yes, I know there. We are no. And I said, call UPSA.
No, unanimous.
That's why, yeah, another, your friend is saying, conference.
The point is that maybe the president was misled. Based on what Asiedu Nketia.
No, they said Nketia said they were misled. It means that it was a boardroom decision to mislead their followers and the country. Because what he's saying is that you be saying any results. It's he decided yes, there will be a from common chachu. You don't na chachu say I don't know you need. Into your family, and a match at court. No back kaya, until I'm a court, a bisa, Mr. Manfashi, into Kayanfa is in the man, I mean, Bisabisano. So I'm quite here. So they knew that you remember said one of the strongest point that was made in court by the MPP was that the NDC were there on a fishing expedition and they denied. You remember? And then the NDC consistently said, so long as Jan Mensah was not brought into the box, you know, Nature said there's been some travesty of justice. and that Jan Mensah should be brought into the box. So the question, and the lawyer Seneca said, Debbie, this is a work as I do what some now we can be to me so that me feel say me to me defend me one of my heading. And you remember correctly, say the entire judgment by the courts at the Supreme Court, you know, was purely based on the fact that the NDC did not adduce much evidence in their case, and they called them names. In fact, recently, John Mahama in the NDC tried to make everybody in Ghana and the global world, you know, believe said there was something wrong with our judiciary. They owe us an apology. They owe their followers an apology. Now, maybe I say NDC ni bemen be no wa obeti mema ni broken heart. Because nemo mu tumi so me when this one come ewu sade ya to me say me de ma ho de ma koma nyina edi party echi me wan gda say me party win elections ekura me ba me de news ekura to me now fe last wa be gina menim ka chem say fe de obeso di chairman nemo wo pese o ka no kra bi kire me say ade na wo ye ni nyina na opia me kogu abontin na say wo boa na de kumi kwa ma me trust the NDC followers me hu so mo ye legends and say Asiedu Nketia say we what is some say man. Hey, the other boy mu nyina yi o kasa wie no say oh no mu ni evidence enti no okọ no ka chom so no kwa oni hwe na oni de on twantro so kai o say me de mu say me twantro enti me ka che court ne say ma fa hwe ama no mo bo nsem pa hey legends